Welcome, everyone. Today, we are looking at Topic 8 in your SS3 accounting series, Public Sector Accounting. This is a very important topic. Public sector accounting is the accounting system used by government entities. It is different from private sector accounting. It is used by federal, state, and local governments. It is also used by government agencies and parastatals. This topic is occasionally tested in your final examinations. You must understand the principles and features of public sector accounting. Pay close attention. Let us begin. First, let me explain what public sector accounting is. Public sector accounting is the accounting system used by government entities. It is used to record and report financial transactions of the government. The purpose of public sector accounting is to ensure accountability. It ensures that public funds are used for their intended purposes. It also ensures that public funds are used efficiently and effectively. Public sector accounting is different from private sector accounting. The differences are in the objectives and the accounting treatments. Understanding public sector accounting is essential for understanding government finance. This is a key concept. Now, let me explain the features of public sector accounting. Public sector accounting has several features. The first feature is that it is based on the cash basis. The cash basis records transactions when cash is received or paid. The second feature is that it uses the fund accounting system. The fund accounting system separates funds by their purpose. The third feature is that it is governed by statutes. The government follows laws and regulations. The fourth feature is that it is based on the budget. The budget is the financial plan of the government. The fifth feature is that it is audited. The government accounts are audited by the Auditor General. The sixth feature is that it is accountable. The government is accountable to the public. Understanding the features of public sector accounting is essential for understanding how it works. This is frequently tested. Now, let me explain the objectives of public sector accounting. Public sector accounting serves several important objectives. The first objective is to ensure accountability. It ensures that public funds are used properly. The second objective is to ensure transparency. It ensures that financial information is open to the public. The third objective is to ensure control. It ensures that public funds are controlled. The fourth objective is to ensure compliance. It ensures that the government follows laws and regulations. The fifth objective is to ensure efficiency. It ensures that public funds are used efficiently. The sixth objective is to ensure effectiveness. It ensures that public funds achieve their intended purposes. Understanding the objectives of public sector accounting is essential for understanding why it is important. This is frequently tested. Now, let me explain the difference between public sector accounting and private sector accounting. Public sector accounting and private sector accounting are different. Public sector accounting is used by government entities. Private sector accounting is used by businesses. Public sector accounting is based on the cash basis. Private sector accounting is based on the accrual basis. Public sector accounting is governed by statutes. Private sector accounting is governed by accounting standards. Public sector accounting uses fund accounting. Private sector accounting does not use fund accounting. Public sector accounting is audited by the Auditor General. Private sector accounting is audited by external auditors. Understanding this difference is essential for understanding the different types of accounting. This is frequently tested. Now let me explain the principles of public sector accounting. Public sector accounting is based on several principles. The first principle is accountability. The government is accountable to the public. The second principle is transparency. Financial information should be open to the public. The third principle is legality. The government must follow the law. The fourth principle is probity. The government must act with integrity. The fifth principle is value for money. The government must use public funds efficiently. The sixth principle is stewardship. The government must manage public funds responsibly. Understanding the principles of public sector accounting is essential for understanding how it operates. This is frequently tested. Now let me explain the fund accounting system. The fund accounting system is used in public sector accounting. It separates funds by their purpose. Each fund is a separate accounting entity. There are different types of funds. The consolidated fund is the main fund. It receives all government revenue. The contingency fund is used for emergencies. The development fund is used for capital projects. The fund accounting system ensures that funds are used for their intended purposes. It provides control over public funds. Understanding the fund accounting system is essential for understanding public sector accounting. This is frequently tested. Now let me explain the budget in public sector accounting. The budget is the financial plan of the government. It is prepared for each financial year. The budget shows the expected revenue and expenditure. The budget is approved by the legislature. The budget is used to control government spending. The budget is also used to allocate resources. The budget is prepared by the Ministry of Finance. The budget is presented to the legislature. The budget is approved before the start of the financial year. Understanding the budget is essential for understanding public sector accounting. This is frequently tested. Now let me explain the process of public sector accounting. The process of public sector accounting involves several steps. The first step is the preparation of the budget. The budget is prepared by the Ministry of Finance. The second step is the approval of the budget. The budget is approved by the legislature. The third step is the collection of revenue. The government collects revenue from taxes and other sources. The fourth step is the payment of expenditure. The government pays for goods and services. The fifth step is the recording of transactions. The transactions are recorded in the books. The sixth step is the preparation of financial statements. The financial statements are prepared at the end of the financial year. Understanding the process is essential for understanding public sector accounting. This is frequently tested. Now let me explain the financial statements in public sector accounting. The financial statements in public sector accounting include several statements. The first statement is the statement of revenue and expenditure. This shows the revenue and expenditure of the government. The second statement is the statement of assets and liabilities. This shows the assets and liabilities of the government. The third statement is the statement of cash flows. This shows the cash flows of the government. The fourth statement is the notes to the accounts. These provide additional information. The financial statements are prepared by the Accountant General. The financial statements are audited by the Auditor General. Understanding the financial statements is essential for understanding public sector accounting. This is frequently tested. Now let me explain the role of the Auditor General. The Auditor General is the chief auditor of the government. He is responsible for auditing government accounts. He ensures that public funds are used properly. He ensures that the government follows the law. He reports on the financial statements. He reports to the legislature. The Auditor General is independent. He is not controlled by the government. He is appointed by the legislature. The role of the Auditor General is important for ensuring accountability. Understanding the role of the Auditor General is essential for understanding public sector accounting. This is frequently tested. Now, let me explain the importance of public sector accounting. Public sector accounting is important for several reasons. First, it ensures accountability. It ensures that public funds are used properly. Second, it ensures transparency. It ensures that financial information is open to the public. Third, it ensures control. It ensures that public funds are controlled. Fourth, it ensures compliance. It ensures that the government follows laws and regulations. Fifth, it ensures efficiency. It ensures that public funds are used efficiently. Sixth, it ensures effectiveness. It ensures that public funds achieve their intended purposes. Understanding the importance of public sector accounting is essential for understanding why it is used. This is frequently tested. Now let me explain the challenges of public sector accounting. Public sector accounting also has several challenges. The first challenge is corruption. Public funds can be misused. The second challenge is inefficiency. Public funds can be wasted. The third challenge is lack of transparency. Financial information may not be open to the public. The fourth challenge is lack of accountability. Government officials may not be held accountable. The fifth challenge is lack of capacity. Government staff may lack the necessary skills. The sixth challenge is political interference. Political considerations may influence decisions. Understanding the challenges of public sector accounting is essential for understanding its limitations. This is a key concept. Now let me give you sample exam questions to prepare you for your test. What is public sector accounting? Public sector accounting is the accounting system used by government entities. State the features of public sector accounting. Cash basis, fund accounting, governed by statutes, based on the budget, audited, and accountable. State the objectives of public sector accounting. Accountability, transparency, control, compliance, efficiency, and effectiveness. Explain the difference between public sector and private sector accounting. Public sector is used by government. Private sector is used by businesses. What is the fund accounting system? The fund accounting system separates funds by their purpose. What is the budget? The budget is the financial plan of the government. Who is the Auditor General? The Auditor General is the chief auditor of the government. State the importance of public sector accounting. Accountability, transparency, control, compliance, efficiency, and effectiveness. Let me summarize everything we have covered today. Public sector accounting is the accounting system used by government entities. It is based on the cash basis and uses fund accounting. It is governed by statutes and based on the budget. The objectives of public sector accounting are accountability, transparency, control, compliance, efficiency, and effectiveness. The fund accounting system separates funds by their purpose. The budget is the financial plan of the government. The Auditor General audits government accounts. Public sector accounting is important for ensuring accountability and transparency. It has challenges such as corruption and inefficiency. Understanding public sector accounting is essential for understanding government finance. This is Topic 8 in your SS3 accounting series. Study it well. It is occasionally tested in your final examinations. Well done.